Jesus calls us specifically not just to follow him, but to take up our cross and follow him. Take up your cross and follow me, he says. Now, St. Gregory the Dialogist teaches us that really there are two principal ways that we can do this. First, of course, is this denial of the body through abstinence and fasting. It afflicts the body. But secondly, we must afflict the heart through love. The body wants to consume, to take, and we afflict it by denying it. Similarly, the heart wants to judge, wants to prove itself, wants to be full of pride. And we afflict the heart through love, through humility. Both are a denial of self. But we must be careful. Even